This morning's treatment, we're going to look at mesotherapy and a glycolic peel. It's a great treatment for revitalising the skin and also putting some moisture back into the skin. So if you feel like your skin's really tired and dull and it needs a bit of a boost, it's an ideal treatment. What we're going to do first of all is just lightly peel the skin using a glycolic, which will just open the skin up and make it more responsive to the product. And then we're going to go in and do some manual mesotherapy, which are tiny little micro injections that contain things like peptides and vitamins, which will really boost the skin. The next step of our treatment is just delivering a nice, light, superficial glycolic peel to the skin. We just gently apply this all over the face, and what this will actually do is, Emma won't actually have a peel from this, but it will take away all that top layer of dead skin. And our top layer of skin, our stratum corneum, is actually dead, and we're a bit like snakes and we need to remove that. And by removing that, it makes your products work better, and also it enables us just to get more product into the skin, like your mesotherapy today. So we apply this all over the skin. The skin will take on a little bit of a red colour, a little bit tingly but certainly not uncomfortable, and it's left on for up to about 5 minutes. So we're just applying it all over the skin now, just a light tingling effect. These are ideal as well, the light glycolic peels, if you suffer from mild to moderate acne, if you're just looking tired and dull, things like that. And they're also a great anti-aging treatment as well. Light peels are a brilliant way of looking after your skin and just keeping the signs of aging at bay a little bit really. But they're suitable from around about 18 years up until your late 70s and 80s as well. There's nobody that wouldn't really benefit from a light glycolic peel. So we've applied that all over the skin. Just going to use a little bit of massage just to make sure the product's absorbing, and then we're just going to time that for around about 4 minutes. So the next stage of our treatment is our manual mesotherapy, and what we're going to do is just do tiny micro injections. As you can see, the needle that we use is really small, so it barely goes into the skin, so it should be completely painless treatment. And what we're going to do is deliver a tiny amount of serum into the skin, which contains peptides and vitamins, and this particular one that I'm working with today has got a high content of hyaluronic acid, which our own bodies make hyaluronic acid. It's a really natural product, but it is fantastic at delivering a boost to the skin and making it look plumper and younger. So this one is particularly good if you've got Christmas parties, if you've got special events, things like that. It can give your skin a real boost, and in the morning when you wake up, your skin looks fantastic. You can put your makeup on as normal, there's no side effects, everything is just lovely and glowing and fresh, so your makeup will go on sort of really amazing. So they're great in the run up to the party season, as well as being a fantastic anti-aging treatment as well. So we're just going to start with the mesotherapy. What we're going to do is just deliver tiny little shots of micro injections into the skin, where the bevel of the needle is just making a little channel for us to deliver that serum into the skin. And as you can see, there's no blood involved, it's just making a tiny little channel. It's completely painless, and you can see the serum just sitting on top of the skin, which will then be absorbed when we massage it in. So now just going to finish our red carpet facial. So we're literally going to remove the mask. Emma's had this really healing and soothing mask on for about 15 minutes, and what that will do is the skin will absorb the contents of the mask, but also push the serums that we've used into the skin, because it's more responsive because we've made those little micro channels. So what we're now going to do is just stroke that into the face, looking really radiant and fresh. And then we're just going to pop on a little bit of Skin Nourish serum, just again to make the most of those little micro channels that we've got in there. Really get that moisture into the skin while it's being so responsive. So we're just stroking that through the skin. And then we're going to put on a recovery balm, which just helps with the healing process. We do advise that you keep your makeup off for the rest of the day, or if it's an evening treatment, just through the night, just so your skin can get the best benefits from it really. But tomorrow morning when Emma wakes up, her skin will just be really fresh, really radiant, and her makeup will go on absolutely fantastic. So if you're concerned about downtime or going on special occasions, or even going back to work the following day, you've got absolutely nothing to worry about. As you can see with Emma's skin, it's got a very slight reddening, but nothing to worry about at all. So if you do have any questions, or I can help you with any skin complaints, things like that, please feel free to come in and see me, or just drop me a message, give me a call, and we can talk through any of your skin concerns together and see if we can come up with a plan for you. And I will look forward to our next video and seeing you next time.